Hey everyone, welcome to guide on how to download Canva on laptop and PC. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to www.canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you're signed up or logged in, you'll be at the Canva homepage. And in homepage you will find PC icon in the top right and click on it. This will take you to the download page. Choose the appropriate version for your system. For this tutorial, I'll be downloading the Windows version, but the process is very similar for Mac users. Click the download button, and the download will begin. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, click on the file to open the installer. The installer will guide you through the installation process. Just follow the prompts and click Next to proceed. After the installation is complete, to close the installer. Canva will now be installed on your computer. You should now see a Canva icon on your desktop. Double-click it to launch the app. Log in with your Canva credentials, and you're ready to start designing. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.